Hi again. This is number 10. Ask a thought-provoking question that anyone can answer. This isn't an intellectual exercise we put our audience through. Heartfelt for the mind. I wonder, what do you hope people will say about you as they stand around at your funeral? Think about that for a moment. Who's willing to share? What we want to do is get our audience engaged enough. And if you have, so if I ask that question and people will say smart things like, he was the dumbest person I ever knew. Well, no, that's not what we hope people will say at our funeral, is it? So if that gets some polite laughter, and I would say something like, let's dig a little deeper on that. And I'm going to recommend a book to you. This isn't on your list. And I hope this comes up and not backwards like I'm seeing here. It's by David Brooks, and it says, How to Know a Person and the Art of Seeing Others Deeply and Being Deeply Seen. I have it on Audible, as you can see, and it's read by the author. I'd seen him do an interview, and I like his work. And he really gives some insightful information about how to really get to know a person rather than just surface levels. I'm pontificating now, but I'll go ahead and tell you an example that he made me think of. Instead of asking when we meet somebody, where do you live? Instead, because they could answer that with a quick answer, Manassas, Alexandria, Arlington, from Tacoma, Washington. But instead of asking, where do you live? How about, tell me about your neighborhood. It's the same type of question, but so much deeper. We'll get to really know a person. Anyway, that's Norma's take on that book. I highly recommend it. Be back soon with another.